Do you sometimes sense a deeper reality waiting to be discovered? If so, you're not alone. Many people around the world are waking up to a new understanding of our existence and our potential. This video explores the concept of the new Earth and how we can actively participate in creating a higher reality. Let's start by looking at the current state of our world. We face numerous challenges on a global scale: environmental issues, social inequality, economic instability, and more. These problems can seem overwhelming, but there's a shift happening. People are becoming more aware, more conscious of their role in the bigger picture. This growing awareness is the first step towards positive change. So what exactly is the new Earth? It's not a physical place, but rather a new way of living and being. The new Earth represents a shift in consciousness, a move away from old patterns of thinking and behaving that no longer serve us. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness with all life and understanding that our thoughts and actions have a real impact on the world around us. This new paradigm contrasts sharply with the old ways. Where the old paradigm was based on separation, competition, and scarcity, the new Earth is founded on unity, cooperation, and abundance. It's a reality where we work together for the common good, recognizing that what benefits one benefits all. We can see signs of this new Earth emerging all around us. There's a growing emphasis on sustainable living and environmental protection. More people are turning to holistic health practices, recognizing the connection between mind, body, and spirit. We're seeing shifts in social structures, with movements towards greater equality and justice. Even in the realm of technology, we're seeing advancements that support positive change, like renewable energy solutions and platforms for global communication and collaboration. A key aspect of the new Earth is the role of consciousness. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality more than we often realize. When we change our inner world, our outer world changes too. This isn't just personal. There's a collective aspect to it as well. As more individuals raise their consciousness, it has a ripple effect on the whole. This brings us to the concept of co-creation. Co-creating means actively participating in shaping our reality. It's about recognizing that we're not passive observers of life, but powerful creators. We co-create through our thoughts, our words, our actions, and our energy. Every choice we make, every interaction we have, contributes to the collective reality we're all experiencing. So how can we become effective co-creators of the new Earth? There are many tools and practices we can use. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful ways to raise our consciousness and connect with our inner wisdom. These practices help us become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, allowing us to choose more consciously. Positive thinking is another important tool. This doesn't mean ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. Rather, it's about focusing on solutions and possibilities instead of dwelling on what's wrong. When we maintain a positive outlook, we're more likely to notice opportunities and take inspired action. Visualization is a powerful technique used by many successful people. By clearly imagining the reality we want to create, we align our energy with that vision. This makes us more likely to notice opportunities and take actions that will bring that vision into reality. Taking inspired action is crucial. While our thoughts and energy are important, we also need to act in the physical world to bring about change. This might involve making different choices in our daily lives, starting new projects, or getting involved in community initiatives. Of course, shifting to a new paradigm isn't always easy. We may face obstacles along the way. Old habits and beliefs can be hard to change. We might encounter resistance from others who aren't ready for change. The sheer scale of global challenges can feel overwhelming at times. But there are strategies we can use to overcome these obstacles. Patience and self-compassion are important. Change doesn't happen overnight, and it's okay to take small steps. Surrounding ourselves with supportive people can make a big difference. Finding others who share our vision can provide encouragement and inspiration. It's also helpful to remember that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. When we encounter difficulties, we can ask ourselves what we can learn from the situation. How can it help us become stronger or wiser? Building communities of light is a powerful way to support the emergence of the new Earth. When like-minded individuals come together, their collective energy can create significant change. These communities can take many forms: local groups, online networks, or even informal circles of friends who share similar values. In these communities, we can share ideas, support each other's growth, and collaborate on projects that benefit the wider world. They provide a space where we can practice living the principles of the new Earth: cooperation, compassion, and conscious creation. There are many simple daily practices we can adopt to align ourselves with the energy of the new Earth. Spending time in nature is one of the most powerful. Nature operates in perfect balance and harmony, and by connecting with it, we can attune ourselves to that same frequency. Practicing gratitude is another powerful tool. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our energy to a higher vibration. This doesn't mean ignoring problems, but rather cultivating an appreciation for the good things in our lives, no matter how small. Acts of kindness and service are also important. When we help others or contribute to our community, we're actively co-creating a more positive reality. These don't have to be grand gestures. Even small acts of kindness can have a ripple effect. Mindful consumption is another way we can contribute to the new Earth. This involves being conscious of what we buy, eat, watch, and listen to. Are we supporting businesses and practices that align with our values? Are we nourishing our minds and bodies with positive inputs? Cultivating compassion for ourselves, for others, and for the planet is at the heart of the new Earth. This doesn't mean allowing harmful behavior, but rather approaching all situations with understanding and a desire for the highest good of all. As we make these changes in our own lives, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond us. Every positive thought, every kind action, every conscious choice contributes to the collective shift. We may not always see the immediate results, but our energy is making a difference. There are countless stories of how individual changes have led to wider positive impacts. People who started small community gardens that grew into movements for food sustainability. Individuals who chose to live more sustainably, inspiring their friends and neighbors to do the same. Businesses that prioritized ethical practices, influencing entire industries. These stories remind us that no action is too small. Everything we do matters. We're all interconnected, and our individual shifts in consciousness contribute to the collective awakening. As we continue on this path, it's important to hold a vision for the future. What kind of world do we want to create? Imagine a world where people live in harmony with nature, where resources are shared equitably, where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and express their unique gifts. Imagine a world where conflicts are resolved through dialogue and mutual understanding, where diversity is celebrated, where we recognize our fundamental oneness while honoring our individual uniqueness. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a potential reality that we have the power to create. By holding this vision and aligning our thoughts and actions with it, we're actively co-creating this new world. So what can you do to start co-creating the new Earth right now? Begin by looking within. What beliefs or habits might be holding you back? What changes can you make in your own life to align more closely with the reality you want to create. Start small. Maybe it's spending a few minutes each day in quiet reflection. Maybe it's making a conscious effort to spread kindness in your daily interactions. Maybe it's educating yourself about global issues and finding ways to contribute to solutions. You don't have to do everything at once. Each small step you take is valuable. As you continue on this path, you'll likely find that things start to flow more easily. You might notice synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you forward. Pay attention to these signs and trust your intuition. Connect with others who share your vision. Look for local groups or online communities focused on personal growth and positive change. Share your experiences and learn from others. Collaboration can amplify our individual efforts and create powerful momentum for change. Stay open to new ideas and perspectives. The path to the new earth isn't about rigidly adhering to any particular doctrine, but about remaining flexible and open to the wisdom that can come from many sources. Be patient with yourself and others. Remember that everyone is on their own journey. Not everyone will understand or agree with your perspective, and that's okay. Focus on your own growth and on spreading positivity in whatever way feels authentic to you. Let's remember the core message. We are powerful co-creators of our reality. The new earth isn't something that will magically appear one day. It's something we're actively creating, moment by moment, through our thoughts, words, and actions. Every time we choose love over fear, cooperation over competition, understanding over judgment, we're contributing to the rise of the new earth. Every time we treat ourselves, others, and the planet with respect and care, we're aligning with this higher reality. The shift is already happening. More and more people around the world are awakening to this new way of being. As we continue to raise our consciousness and take positive action, we create a ripple effect that touches countless lives. You have a unique role to play in this global awakening. Your particular combination of gifts, experiences, and perspectives is needed. Trust in your own inner wisdom and the nudges of your intuition. You are here at this pivotal time in human history for a reason. The new earth isn't a distant utopia. It's a reality we're creating right here, right now. It starts within each of us and extends outward to touch all of life. Every moment is an opportunity to choose love, to choose consciousness, to choose creation. As you go forward from here, carry this empowering truth with you. You are a co-creator of reality. Your thoughts, your words, your actions matter. You have the power to make a difference, to contribute to the rising tide of positive change sweeping across our planet. Thank you for being part of this global shift. Thank you for your willingness to explore these ideas and to consider your role in co-creating a higher reality. As you continue on your journey, know that you're not alone. Millions of others around the world are also awakening, also doing their part to create positive change. Together, we are giving rise to the new earth. Together, we are co-creating a reality of greater harmony, compassion, and conscious living. The journey continues, and every step you take makes a difference. Keep shining your light, keep growing, keep creating. The world needs your unique gifts now more than ever.